Welcome. In front of me is an HTC U24 Pro, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with a welcoming screen where you get to select your desired language from the drop-down menu right here. And then just select Let's Go. Next you have Terms of Use. You can tap on Learn More to agree what you are actually or to read what you are actually agreeing to, which it consists of end user license agreement and disclaimer for what? Basically end user license agreement, which is probably the most important one. Anyway, yep, I have read and agreed to it. Next we have Wi-Fi connections, and here you can connect to your Wi-Fi network, assuming you have one available to you right now. If you don't, you can just select Setup Offline. Now, because I haven't inserted a SIM card into this device yet, and I am planning to skip Wi-Fi connection page, I would have no internet connection, which, when going through the setup process, internet connection is used to do things like set up your date and time automatically, allow you to sign into Google throughout the setup, restore apps and data, and just generally access things like backups. So if I didn't connect to it, I'm just going to be setting it up offline without all of those listed things, which, like I mentioned, date and time, because it's not set automatically, will now show up as the next thing. So you can fix it up. If you're planning to connect to your network later on, you can completely disregard it, as once you do so, it will automatically fix the time and date. Next, we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can disable all of those, but it's from Google. So, moving on, we have protect your phone. So we can select set up screen lock, fingerprint, or skip for now. So you can choose if you want to. Now, fingerprint is a biometrics, and biometrics aren't 100% reliable all the time, so the device will automatically also force you to select screen lock as a PIN, pattern, or password, of whichever one you want. Additionally, you can select only screen lock without being forced to select fingerprint, or you can just not protect your device at all if you don't want to, though it's not recommended, but it's what I will be doing for the kind of simplicity. And it looks like this finishes up this setup. So welcome to HTC U24 Pro. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.